how's your day? Welcome to Wonderful English Site. Anyone can guess what we are going to learn today? Well, before we learn today, I'd like to show you a monologue relating our lecture today. So guys, please listen this monologue carefully. Let's hear it out.
The bluebird is one of the most welcome residents among Missouri's birds. Its bright colors and cheerful song make it a favorite with almost everyone. In addition, it is a highly beneficial bird. About 2/3 of its diet is insects, many of which are damaging to crops. Bluebirds are a rural bird, seen in open grasslands with scattered trees or fences. Urban residents seldom see bluebirds and sometimes become concerned that they are rare. Actually, bluebird numbers are on the rise. They're about 4 times as abundant as they were just a decade ago.
Well, guys, you have heard that monologue. Guys, any one of you can answer it. What the monologue tell us about? Yes, you are right. That monologue tell us about a description. So, anyone knows how to report that monologue? Yeah, you are awesome. You can report that monologue through descriptive text. For your information, descriptive text has 2 parts. They are identification and description. At the first part, you can identify the phenomenon to be described. And the second one, you can describe the phenomenon in parts, qualities, or characteristic. Well, guys, for the next meeting, you will practice how to write a descriptive text. That's all for this section. See you on the next section. And always stay tuned on Wonderful English Side. Ta-ta for now.